Unit 10.
Board. Board is a noun. A board is a long, flat piece of wood or plastic. The man used the board to finish building the doghouse. Now you say the word. Board. Board. Board is a verb. If you board a bus, you get on it. You might also board a train or a boat. The women will board the train with their bags. Now you say the word. Board. Curious. Curious is an adjective. If you are curious, you want to learn or find out about something. The kitten is curious about the new goldfish. Now you say the word. Curious. Curious. Dangerous. Dangerous is an adjective. Something that is dangerous is not safe. It could cause harm. Riding a bike without a helmet can be dangerous. Now you say the word. Dangerous. Dangerous. Doubt. Doubt is a verb. If you doubt something, you are not sure about it. I doubt that their team will win today. Now you say the word. Doubt. Doubt. Eager. Eager is an adjective. A person who is eager is very interested in doing something. The girl is eager to play the piano. Now you say the word. Eager. Eager. Fear. Fear is a noun. Fear is a feeling that danger is near or that something bad will happen. I feel fear when I am in a dark place. Now you say the word. Fear. Fear. Fear is a verb. If you fear something, you are afraid of it. Singing in front of people is what I fear most. Now you say the word. Fear. Leap. Leap is a verb. If you leap, you take a jump forward. Watch the frog leap from one rock onto the other. Now you say the word. Leap. Leap. Screech. Screech is a noun. A screech is a loud, high sound. The bird made a loud screech when people came into the pet store. Now you say the word. Screech. Screech. Screech is a verb. When things screech, they make a loud sound. The tires screech when I brake. Now you say the word. Screech. Squeeze. Squeeze is a verb. If you squeeze something, you hold it tightly. The towel will dry more quickly if you squeeze the water out of it first. Now you say the word. Squeeze. Squeeze. Village. Village is a noun. A village is a small town. My grandparents live in a small village. Now you say the word. Village. Village.